Edvotek Kit S-75. Do onions, strawberries, and bananas have DNA? Are you ready to extract DNA from fruits and vegetables? With Edvotek's Kit S-75, you'll bring biotechnology concepts to life in your classroom through hands-on experimentation. Before we can perform molecular biology and biotechnology experiments that use DNA, we need to separate the DNA from all the other materials that are present in the cells. But how do we do this? It's actually easy. The fruit or vegetable sample is crushed in a buffer that helps break down cells and protects the DNA that is released into solution. Ice-cold alcohol is then added to the lysate, causing the DNA to precipitate out as visible strands. Inside this kit, you'll find several hands-on activities that teach your students about DNA structure and function. We provide the DNA extraction buffer, tubes, controls, and even plastic beads that can be used to model strands of DNA. All you need to supply are the fruit or vegetable samples and some ice-cold alcohol. DNA extraction is a great experiment to perform with your students. Grab your lab coat and get started with Edvotek's Kit S-75. Do onions, strawberries, and bananas have DNA?